G'day, it is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Toyota RAV4 stock reference number 5882. This shape ran from the 12th of 2013 to the 12th of 2018. It has a 2AD FTV 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 2AD FTV 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, 1 dent. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel, less airbag with audio and cruise buttons and phone buttons.